Number 8. The New Caledonian Crow. Tioek. Small but mighty, this creature is a true example of brain power hidden in feathers. Found in the forests of New Caledonia, these crows live in tight-knit family groups and spend much of their time searching for food in the dense tropical canopy. But what makes them special isn't just where they live. It's how they think. These birds craft tools with the precision of miniature engineers, bending twigs into hooks to pull insects out of tree bark. They can even solve multi-step puzzles that stump young children. Their intelligence connects perfectly to today's theme. Smart animals aren't defined by size. They're defined by strategy. One surprising fact, a crow can remember a human face for more than 5 years and pass that memory down to its offspring. It may not look dangerous, but underestimate it, and you'll regret it. Number 7. The bottlenose dolphin. Moving from the forest to the oceans, our next creature proves that intelligence can come from anywhere. Growing up to 4 meters long and living in warm coastal waters, dolphins are famous for their playful nature. But beneath that charm lies one of the most advanced brains in the animal kingdom. Their special ability, echolocation, which lets them see using sound, detecting objects as small as a ping-pong ball hundreds of meters away. Dolphins communicate using signature whistles, essentially names, and can understand complex commands, remember patterns, and even teach each other new skills. A remarkable scientific fact. Dolphins pass the mirror test, showing true self-awareness, a trait shared with humans, apes, and elephants. There's even a myth that dolphins are always friendly, but in reality, they are strategic hunters with strict social rules. Scientists still can't explain how it manages to coordinate hunts so perfectly. Nature's secret weapon in plain sight. At number 6, meet the common octopus, one of the most astonishing creatures ever discovered. While most animals can only navigate basic problems, this one can escape sealed jars, unlock latches, and memorize maze layouts. Living in coral reefs and rocky coastlines, the octopus survives by blending into its environment using instant camouflage, changing color, texture, and even shape. While most animals rely on instinct alone, this creature can plan, observe, and adapt on the fly. Imagine seeing this in real life. It's like nature created a superhero. With 9 brains, 3 hearts, and an intelligence level comparable to a dog, the octopus can solve puzzles, recognize human caretakers, and even steal from fishermen's traps without getting caught. But it fits the theme perfectly because intelligence in the ocean often comes with a twist. The smarter the creature, the more unpredictable it becomes. Deep in the African savanna, this giant roams with wisdom, the African elephant. Unlike predators that rely on claws or speed, elephants rely on memory, emotion, and teamwork. They've been observed mourning their dead, remembering water sources from decades earlier, and communicating using subsonic rumbles that travel through the ground. When threatened, they form protective circles around calves, showing an understanding of strategy rarely seen in the wild. Elephants interact with humans in surprising ways. Some recognize the difference between friendly voices and dangerous ones, adjusting their behavior instantly. A unique biological feature is their massive brain, the largest of any land animal, with a neocortex structure strikingly similar to ours. Records show elephants can learn over 60 vocal commands and solve complex tasks requiring cooperation. It's proof that the wild still holds secrets we've barely begun to understand. Halfway through our list, and things are only getting crazier. Meet the African gray parrot, a bird so intelligent that scientists compare its reasoning ability to a 5-year-old human child. This parrot can mimic over 200 human words, not by copying sounds, but by understanding meaning. Its behavior is a perfect example of strategic communication. It can ask for objects, identify colors and shapes, and even express preferences. One adaptation that shocks viewers is its problem-solving ability. These parrots can dismantle locks, open latches, and solve shape-sorting puzzles faster than many primates. Imagine a human lifting a car. That's the bird equivalent strength of its mental power. Their intelligence connects to survival. Parrots use vocal learning to coordinate flock movements and avoid predators. It's nature's perfect example of strength and survival, but through pure brainpower. From land to forest again, this next genius rules the trees. The chimpanzee shares about 98.6% of our DNA, and its intelligence shows it. Chimps use tools for hunting, termite fishing, nut cracking, and even medical self-care by chewing specific plants. They hunt cooperatively using military-style tactics, flanking prey from multiple sides. Their size and power statistics are shocking. A chimp is roughly 4 times stronger than a human, despite being half the size. A fascinating piece of trivia. Chimps can learn sign language and communicate dozens of ideas, emotions, and requests. Throughout history, myths painted chimps as simple imitators, but modern science shows the opposite. They innovate, strategize, and pass knowledge through generations. Its legend has inspired curiosity for centuries, and for good reason. Number 2 might surprise you. It's not a killer, but it's definitely one of the most brilliant animals alive. The raven. Survival in harsh environments has shaped this bird into a master strategist. Ravens plan for the future, a skill once believed to be exclusive to humans. They hide food, remember hiding spots, and even deceive other animals by pretending to store food in empty locations. Their rare ability to understand cause and effect puts them at the top of the avian intelligence hierarchy. Unlike many predators, ravens thrive by forming alliances, recognizing individual humans, and using vocal tricks to manipulate wolves into opening carcasses for them. This creature shows that intelligence wins, not size, not speed, not strength. And finally, number 1. The true king of the intelligence world, the orangutan. Imagine a shadow moving through the jungle, quietly crafting tools and using leaves as umbrellas during tropical storms. Orangutans share nearly 97% of our DNA and are known for problem-solving abilities that rival young children. Their behavior is astonishing. They can learn complex tasks after watching them once, remember the layout of massive forests, and build new sleeping nests every night with engineering precision. What makes them number 1 is their ability to plan long-term, not just hours, but days in advance. One shocking twist. Orangutans in captivity have been known to short-circuit electric fences, pick locks, and escape enclosures using improvised tools. It's a reminder that nature's most intelligent creature isn't always the biggest. It's the one perfectly built for survival. So which of these genius animals blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you love exploring the hidden intelligence of the natural world, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new adventure. From tool-using birds to deep-thinking primates, today's list proves one thing. The animal kingdom is full of minds far more powerful than we ever imagined. And we've only scratched the surface. Next time, we'll be exploring the world of animals with real-life superpowers. Trust me, you won't believe number 3. This is Professor Predator, where every creature tells a story.